Hello students, welcome to SKD's Node Academy. So today we are going to continue with the matrices and determinants. So in that we are going to discuss about inverse of a 3x3 matrix, Cramer's rule and characteristic equation and its roots, or they are also called as eigenvalues. Okay, without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, let's find the inverse of a 3x3 matrix. Okay, you know the formula for A inverse, that is adjoint of A divided by determinant of A, correct? First step is to find the determinant of A. If the determinant of A is not equals to 0, you can further do the adjoint, or you can find the A inverse. If your determinant of A is equals to 0, you cannot find the adjoint of A, because here you can see adjoint of A, if you are getting some value and you are getting 0 in the denominator, that is determinant is A is 0, so 1 by 0 it will be what? Undefined or infinity, correct? So that should not happen. So let us take an example. A is equals to 1 2 3 3 2 1 4 2 1, or let me change this as 2 4 2 2. If I want to find the A inverse, first what you have to do? First you have to find the A, correct? Determinant of A. So determinant of A is 1 2 3 3 2 1 4 2 2. Now plus minus plus, first you have to write down these things, correct? 1 open bracket minus 2 open bracket plus 3 open bracket. Now eliminating first row, first column, 2 2s are 4 minus 2 1s are 2. You have to do the cross multiplication. Same as for second element, you have to eliminate the middle column. You will get 3 2s are 6 minus 4 1s are 4. Next you want third, right? You have to eliminate the last column. 3 2s are 6 minus 4 2s are 8. So 4 minus, inside the bracket you have to solve first. Okay, so let us do that. 4 minus 2 is 2, minus 2 you keep it as it is, 6 minus 4 is also 2, plus 3 keep it as it is, 6 minus 8 is minus 2, because bigger number has negative sign. So 1 into 2 is 2, minus 2 2s are 4. Now here plus into minus, minus 3 2s are 6. So here 2 minus 4 minus 6 will be minus 10. So your answer is 2 minus 10 is minus 8. So this is the determinant of A, correct? This is not equals to 0. So further you can find the A inverse. To find the A inverse, first you have to find the minor. To find the adjoint, first you have to find the minor of all the element. Okay, let us do that. In first row, try to find the minor. Okay, minor, first row, 1's minor. Okay, you can see 2 into 1 2 2, correct? Cross multiply, 2 2s are 4 minus 2 1s are 2, it is 2, correct? Now 2's, so left with 3 1 4 2, correct? 3 2s are 6 minus 4 1s are 4, 6 minus 2 is 2. Now 3's, correct? It is what? 3 2 4 2. Cross multiply again, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. You are getting minus 2. Now second row elements minor. What we are finding? We are finding minors of each element, correct? So now 3's in second row. 3's means third numbers, correct? So left with what? 2 3 2 2, correct? Yes, good. Do it. Cross multiplication. Let me do here. 2 2s are 4 minus 3 2s are 6. This will be minus 2, correct? So now 2's with respect to second row, correct? This one, we have done this one, 2's. So you left with 1 3 4 2. Eliminating middle column and middle row, 1 3 4 2. 1 2s are 2 minus 4 3s are 12. 2 minus 12 is minus 10. Now you have to do for ones, this one, minor of ones in second row, correct? So if you want to do that, you left with 1 2 4 2, correct? Cross multiply, 1 2s are 2, minus 4 2s are 8, you left with minus 6. This is the ones. Now you look for third row, correct? In order to check for the third row, for fours you have to do what? Eliminate this row and first column. You left with 2 3 2 1. So you want for fours, correct? Fours minor, left with 2 3 2 1. Do the cross multiplication now. 2 1s are 2, minus 2 3s are 6. 2 minus 6 will be minus 4, whereas for 2's minor, eliminate last row and middle column. You left with 1 3 3 1, 1 3 3 1. So 1 into 1 is 1, minus 3 3s are 9, left with minus 8. Now the last number, 2's. So you have 1 2 3 2, correct? So you left with last row, first last column. If you delete 1 2 3 2, you left with 1 2s are 2, minus 3 2s are 6. This will be minus 4. Now you all got the elements. You write it in the row fashion. First you have to write in the row fashion, correct? 2 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 10 minus 6 minus 4 minus 8 minus 4. Now you have to multiply. In order to find the cofactor, you have to multiply with the signs, plus minus plus here also. Next minus plus minus plus minus plus. If you multiply, you will get what? You will get plus only, right? Plus, this will be minus 2. 2 into minus, minus 2, minus into plus, minus 2, correct? Minus 2 into minus, plus 2, minus into plus, minus 10 only. Now minus into minus, plus 6, minus 4 into plus 4, it will be minus 4, minus into minus, plus 8, minus into plus, minus 4. Now you have to do the transpose of this. Transpose of this will become what? You have to write row into column fashion. 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2 minus 2, 2 minus 10, 6 minus 4, 8 minus 4. Now you got all these things, correct? Now you got what? Adjoint. This is called adjoint of A, correct? So you got the adjoint of A. Now what is the formula for your what? Last this thing, number A inverse. To find A inverse, what you have to do? Let me do that in next page. So you have to do A inverse is equals to what? It is adjoint of A divided by determinant of A, correct? So you got determinant value in previous thing is minus 8, correct? So now you have to do adjoint of A. What you got? You got the adjoint of A as recently we got, right? 2 2 minus 4 minus 2 minus 10 8 minus 2 6 minus 4. Let us re-verify. Okay, yes, we have done correctly, right? So this divided by A inverse is equals to, this is adjoint, right? Adjoint of A, what we have got, divided by determinant of A. Determinant of A is minus 8, right? So now you have to write further. So this 8 is going to divide with each and every number. 2 by minus 8, 2 by minus 8, minus 4 by minus 8, minus 2 by minus 8, minus 10 by minus 8, 8 by minus 8, minus 2 by minus 8, 6 by minus 8 minus 4 by minus 8. Okay, further you can solve. If you keep till here also, you will get the marks. Okay, this is how you have to do the A inverse of a 3 cross 3 matrix. Correct. Now we will go for the Cramer's rule. Okay, Cramer's rule, how they will give you is, Cramer's rule is nothing but finding unknown variable using determinant method. Okay, let us see now, okay, how to do that one. So let me quickly take a problem so that you can understand that. The problem will be, find the value of x and y using Cramer's rule for the or from the given equations. Okay, so let us take as simple 2x minus 3y is equals to 4, 2x plus 6y is equals to 2. So these are all the two equations. From this you have to find the x and y. So to do that, first you have to check for the numbers. What are all the numbers they have given here? 2, minus 3, 2 and 6. Correct. You write down those things. 2 minus, any equation you have to write like this only. 2 minus 3, 2, 6. Right. To find the delta, you have to find the delta. Okay, two equations are, first you have to find the one delta, then you have to find delta x and delta y. Okay, so now here you do cross multiplication. 2 6 are 12 minus common, here 2 3 are 6, it is minus 6. 12 minus into minus plus 6, this will become 18. Your delta is 18. Now delta x. Correct. So here you can see these numbers you have to put in first column 4 2, because you are finding for x, that's why you have to put these equals after equals to values in the x, and the rest these elements will be same. Minus 3 6. Okay, now do the cross multiplication again. 4 6 are 24 minus of 2 3 are 6 minus 6, so this will become 24 plus 6, this will become 30. Now you have to find the delta y. In order to find the delta y, first you have to keep these elements common, that is 2 2 common. Instead of second column element, you have to put these after equals to values. 4 2 4 2. Now do cross multiplication. 2 2 is 4 minus 2 4 is 8. So 4 minus 8 is minus 4. So you got the delta x, delta y. What they are saying? They are saying you to find the x and y. In order to find the value of x, you have to do delta x by delta. What is your delta x? 30. Correct. You got 30 divided by what you have got is 18. Further, if it is cancelling, you have to do it. Okay. Right. Y is equals to next delta y by delta. What is your delta y? You got here, right? Minus 4. Minus 4 by 18. Understood? So this is your x and y value. This is how you have to find the Cramer's rule problems. Correct? So next, if we talk about characteristic equation, characteristics equations, how to solve the characteristic equations and its roots. So the problems will be in this format. So they will say you, if A is equals to 3 2 4 6. Okay, so let me give it as minus 2. Okay, find characteristics equation and roots. Solution for this type of problem is, you have formula to find the characteristic equation is a minus lambda I magnitude is equals to 0. This is the standard formula to find any characteristic equations from the given matrix. Okay, in your syllabus only 2 cross 2 matrix characteristic equation and roots are there. So A is given matrix, here A is given matrix, lambda is constant, whereas this I is identity matrix. Okay, identity matrix, it is 2 cross 2, right? Identity matrix is also called as what? Unit matrix, that is 1 0 0 1. Okay, now according to this we have to do that. Okay, so A is given as 3 minus 2 4 6. Okay, now minus is there, minus you keep as it is, lambda is there, lambda you keep as it is, 1 into 0 0 1. This is identity matrix, this will be equals to 0. Now you keep this matrix as it is, A matrix, 3 minus 2 4 6. Now minus lambda you multiply inside of this. Okay, lambda into 1 lambda, lambda into 0 0, lambda into 0 0, lambda into 1 lambda is equals to 0. Now you have to do the minus of these two matrix. 3 minus lambda is 3 minus lambda, you have to keep as it is. Minus 2 0 will be minus 2, 4 minus 0 will be 4, 6 minus lambda will be 6 minus lambda. Now you have to do the cross multiplication. Okay, 3 minus lambda into 6 minus lambda minus 4 into minus 2, that is minus of minus 8 is equals to 0. Correct? Now inside you do multiplication. 3 6 are 18, 3 into minus lambda is minus 3 lambda. Okay, this is over. Now you have to do the same for with minus lambda also. Minus lambda into 6 minus 6 lambda, whereas minus into minus plus, lambda into lambda lambda square, minus into minus plus 8 is equals to 0. Here it is there, is equals to 0, right? Okay, now you keep lambda separate, you do in the, you arrange in the form, right? Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Let us arrange this in this fashion. Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. This is the standard format it should be in. So first you keep lambda square, minus 3 lambda minus 6 lambda will be what? Minus 9 lambda. 18 plus 8 will be what? It is 26 plus 26 is equals to 0. Correct? 18 plus 8 is what? 8 2s are 16, 1 goes there, so 26. 1 plus 1 is 26. So this is your characteristic equation. You can write it in short form as characteristic equation. Now you have to find the characteristic roots. You just try to figure it out, this equation, and we'll do further. Let us see. Now lambda square minus 9 lambda plus 26 is equals to 0. Here you have to take the c term. Okay, you have to split it and you have to find roots such that if you multiply two roots, what you are taking, that should be equals to 26. Okay, so if you add those two roots or minus those two roots, you will get what? You should get 9. Okay, how you will get 26? 26 how you will get, in which table you will get? In 13 table you will get, right? 13 into 2. Yes or no? 2 into 13. This is possible case. Yes or no? Other than this, where you will get 26? Any idea? No, right? Now if you add these two, you will get what? 13 minus, if you do adding, it will become 15. If you are doing minus, it will become 11, but it is 9. You can't do such problems. At that time, we will, here they will use Sridhar's formula, that is, when it is in standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, you have a Sridhar's formula, that is minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a to find your roots, characteristic equation roots or eigenvalues. Now here from this equation, a is 1, here nothing is there, so 1 will be there. Now b is minus 9, this is a, this is b, and this is c. B is minus 9, c is 26. Now put the values here, minus b, here plus or minus is there, you have to take one time plus, one time minus. Let me take plus first, b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. If I take b square, minus b is what? Minus of minus 9 plus b square minus 9 square minus 4 into a is what? A is 1, c is what? C is 26, correct, divided by 2 into 1. Now minus into minus 9 plus 9, correct, 9 9s are 81 minus what is 26 times 4? 26 times 4, this will become what? This will become 104, correct, into 1 is 104. 26 into 4 is 104, into 1 is 104 only. 2 into 1 is 2. Now this has become 9 plus under root, what it will become? 81 minus 104. 81 minus 104. If you do, you will get what? Under root minus 23 divided by 2. This is 1 lambda. If you want another lambda, 9. First we have taken plus, right? Next you have to take minus. So minus 23 divided by 2. This is how you have to find the characteristic equation and characteristic roots from the given matrix. So thanks for watching the video. For any other further clarification, you please contact me or please post your comments so that I can further solve problems which you are having doubts. Okay, thank you for watching. Please share and like, subscribe to the channel. Share maximum friends who will get benefited from this maths course. Okay.